Hello everyone. Today let's this lesson Florence Nightingale. Let's start. Florence Nightingale was born on 12 May 1820 in Florence, Tuscany, Italy. Though she was born in Italy, she was brought up in the UK. She was named after the city of her birth. Her elder sister, Frances Patino, had similarly been named after her place of birth, Patino. Florence is famous for her nursing work during the Crimean War 1853-56. Florence's father, William Nightingale, was a wealthy landowner. She was brought up in Derbyshire and Hampshire. Florence spent her summer in Derbyshire and winter in Hampshire. Florence Nightingale's father taught her and her sister a variety of subjects ranging from science and mathematics to history and philosophy. As she grew up, she developed an interest in helping others. At the age of 17, she believed that she was called into service by God to do something for the helpless and miserable. At first, her parents refused to allow her to become a nurse, but at last, her father gave his permission. Then Florence went to Germany to undergo training and become a nurse in 1851. After 2 years, she became superintendent of the hospital for gentlewomen in London in 1853. In 1853, the Crimean War broke out. Florence was asked to go to Turkey to manage the nursing of British soldiers wounded in the Crimean War. She traveled to Scutari to help the wounded soldiers. She was very sad to see the poor condition of that hospital. The wounded soldiers were sleeping in overcrowded and dirty rooms. They didn't have blankets and decent food. Diseases such as typhus, cholera, and dysentery spread among the soldiers. Many of them died of infection and diseases. Florence and her nurses set up a kitchen and dug latrines for sanitation. They asked for help from the wives of the wounded soldiers. They became able to take good care of the soldiers and the death rate of the soldiers dropped. Florence often visited the soldiers at night when they were asleep. She carried a lamp as she walked the halls of the battlefield hospitals. So she was referred to as the lady with the lamp. Thus she became a true hero to the soldiers and everyone back home in England. On 13 August 1910, at the age of 90, Florence Nightingale died at Mayfair, London.